Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In our last video, we had learned about G96 code, and G96 means constant surface cutting speed. Okay, so constant surface cutting speed means to maintain a constant velocity of cutting, to maintain a constant VC. So there are two type of surface cutting. First one is SFM and second one is SMM, or simply we can call it VC. Okay, so SFM means surface feet per minute, surface feet per minute, and SMM means surface meter per minute. Okay, so what is the formula for SFM? In our first video we had learned about SMM or VC. We know the formula of VC. VC is equal to pi dn by 1000. So this is a new term for us. What is SFM? SFM means surface feet per minute, and the formula for SFM is simply like as VC. So SFM is equal to pi into D into N by 12, and D is in inch, D in inches. Okay, and what is the formula for VC? Formula for VC or SMM, surface, this is surface meter per minute. SMM is equal to pi into D into N by 1000. Okay, this was we studied in our first video. So this is the difference between the formula of SFM and SMM, and how to calculate RPM from SFM. Here is our next formula to calculating the RPM from SFM. RPM from SFM. RPM from SFM. So N is equal to this N. We have to calculate this N. N is equal to 12 into SFM divided by pi D, or simply divided by circumference, or simply divided by the circumference. In some videos or in some post on Chrome, you can see the N is equal to 12 into SFM divided by the circumference. The circumference is nothing but the pi into D. Okay, so we all of know the formula for circumference. The formula for circumference is pi into D. Now how to calculate RPM from SMM? Now RPM from SMM. What is the formula for calculating RPM? So RPM, N is equal to SMM into 1000 divided by pi into D, or the circumference. Okay, so this is the formula for calculating RPM from SFM and calculating RPM from SMM, or simply VC. Okay, so SFM is largely used in America because in 1950 America was invented the CNC machining. So at that time they was using SFM. So in another country they use SMM. Maximum countries use SMM acronyms, and in America, in maximum companies they use SFM to do machining. Okay, now we have to learn how to switch from SFM to SMM, means how to switch from SFM to VC, means SMM. Okay, in short, we call SMM, VC to SMM. Okay, so how to switch from SFM to SMM? There is a formula to switch from SFM to SMM. Simply SFM is equal to 3.28 into SMM or VC. Okay, and the formula to calculate SMM or VC, SMM or original VC is equal to 0.305 into SFM. By using this formula, we can easily switch from SFM to VC or SMM, and by using this formula you can switch from SMM to SFM. Okay, now we will take one example to how to calculate the SFM. So suppose the diameter of a job is 2 inch, diameter is equal to 2 inch, and the RPM N is equal to 4000 RPM. Now we have to calculate SFM is equal to what? So simply put this in this formula and we can easily calculate the SFM. So SFM is equal to pi into d, means this means circumference. We know the formula of circle, a perimeter. Circumference is equal to pi into d, or circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so SFM is equal to what? Pi into d, means 3.14 into diameter 2 inch, pi d n, and 4000 by 12. So what will be SFM? SFM is equal to, SFM will be 0.39 feet per minute. Okay, so what is the unit for SFM? Feet per minute. Okay, and what is the unit for SMM? For SFM it is feet per minute, and for SMM it's meter per minute. Okay, so this was all about the cutting speed in SFM and in SMM. So if you like the video, then please hit the like button and share the video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.